In this video, I will show you two ways to change your hosting password. First, I'll show you how to do this if you know what it currently is, and second, if you don't know what it currently is. First, if you know what it is, sign into your account, go to your profile in the top right, so click Account, and then click Account Information. From here, under Account Settings, go and click Change Password. Then you will need to enter your current password, and then just enter a new password and enter it again, then click Confirm. And that's one way to change your password. If you don't know what it currently is, just gonna make sure you are signed out of your account, because then at login, what you can do is click Forgot Password, then here enter the email address you created your account with and click Send Reset Email, and then just open your mail. And then you'll get an email like this, so just click Reset Password, and then here enter your new password and enter it again, and then you have also changed your Hostinger account password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.